Multi-channel is becoming a must. Why? Online's a price fight. Let's face it, when you're online, it's easy to click around. You see one thing, you can price shop, you can compare. It's not like when you're in a store. There's no other delimiting factors there. There's no like a good salesperson who's working with you and therefore you want to buy it. There's no I can walk home with it immediately. There's no sense that like, well, maybe I can get it cheaper, but then I have to go someplace else to see if I can find it. Online, very easy to price shop.
When you look at our supply chain in the apparel sector, there's two key objectives, which is, as I said earlier, having the right product in the right place at the right time and carrying as little inventory as possible. So, in order for them to manage the cost, people in our sector want to have almost no inventory if that was possible.